Hello, good evening, all people. Welcome back. This is to the FLAF with me, Vandok, and with my co-host, this one right there, it's Amel. Yeah,
Halo.
okay, sini, okay, okay. So today we are going to talk about what will we do with our squad in the FPL, and yeah, so I will go first. Yeah, okay. So why this is a video only just for this? Oh, because we will have many things to do for this game week. Okay, and shorter for you guys. So for me, I have this team. As you can see, I really love this team very much, especially with the Chelsea as the Spurs led. But eventually, Chelsea will be against Spurs, so this is gonna be tricky for me. So I I think uh, at first I was very confused, but now I have the formula. Okay, so what I will do for this, I will going to do a free hit. So wait, let me see the okay. So I want to re-get it from since I can do free hit. I can just go with this and this. Okay, I will go this, this. I think I forgot. This is okay. I will go. Okay, so I think with this, and then this. I don't know. I think I will go with this, but I don't know. Eh. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
It's safe. Okay, I think with this. Okay. So yeah, I will go with free hit. So if I will just if I just don't do anything, the cost will be too much. But if I don't, it will be very hard for me. Okay, so first one is the goalkeeper. I will go with the Johnston. I can why cannot? Okay, Johnston, because I believe West Brom will get clean sheet, maybe. And the second one will be Patricio for both. And then who else? Okay, defender. So okay, so I want to add Cancelo, and I forgot me. I will go with Kill. I will go with Killman for this one.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is going to be tricky. Wait, I think I will go with this another one. Okay, so for the midfielder, I will go for Fernandez. I will add Jota also, and and for the last one, I will add. Oh, what add? Wait. Oh, anyway, I still trust Fardi. Can I? Okay. So I have two more, but these two I don't know. Which will be. I have any option like I can do like I think I will I think I will go for the Wolf defender or the midfielder. I don't under really sure, but yeah, I think since I think I'm going to blank this for a while. But I think because I want to achieve a new squad with Jones, I think I will go John. I don't know whether Johnson or Patricio. I still have to time to think about it and do research. But the back three will be Cancelo, Justin, and Robertson, and then four of them will be this guy all over here, and then last three will be this one. But yeah, still when because I still have time, I don't know whether I will just. And I think I'm not so sure what Bamford say, but yeah, I think for probably this is my new squad for this game week only, but I don't know which one will be on the rest. See. So, yeah. So I think for me that's all. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's quite fast.
Yeah, because I think I will. I did the research a little bit a minute. So
Like 5 minutes ago.
yeah. Okay. Let me. I think so. The option that I really love to is to wait. So defender, you can see have many option. If we sort by form, actually I sort by form. I think I will go with. Uh, I think I will go with who it will be. I don't know. There are then many available options. See, I think I will go with the Kyle Walker, but no, I don't think so. I will. All the options are still risky for the defender. That's why I'm still confused. But on the that three that I spoken about, I still believe him because even though they will not have a clean sheet, they can get scores. And the midfielder, I don't believe. Uh, oh, okay, I forgot. Oh, for the midfielder, I believe Eze. If I still confused, I don't know. I think Eze will get a good point for this game week. And no, and for the other option, I don't believe them also. On the forward, actually, I want to bring Temi, but I think I don't have. I think if I bring Temi, I don't have money. Or if I bring Temi, I must don't use Vardy. But I think Vardy will still can score goals. See, especially with the schedule that he have. Or I think all well back actually. But still still need to think about it. Yeah, I think so. That's all for me. Yeah, if
Okay.
I hope I will remember this. So what do you think?
What, with your squad or with mine?
Wait, you're
Or
just
with
what?
your option?
Yeah,
With your squad or with my squad? With
with
your squad.
yours. Yeah, what do you think about my new squad?
Okay. So basically, if I am, if I will, if I will do free hit as well, I think that Johnston is a good shout because West Brom is playing Sheffield next game week. So I think that he could have a clean sheet right there, but I don't know. And Patricio is also a good shout because yeah, they're playing Arsenal. So clean sheet is also possible. So it's either Patricio or Leno. I think it's a safe option. And for Cancelo, I think it's a good option because City will be playing Burnley, and I do think that against, if you like to invest on City players, that it could be good. Like on the defender or midfielder, I think it's pretty good. As for Wolves, I also have Gilman right now, so I think it's a good option right now. Justin as well, Robertson. I do think that he can have another assist or maybe a clean sheet as well. So yeah, I think he's good. He's good to go. And Fernandez is like, uh, like he is a must, I think.
For now,
But
yeah.
uh, for now, yeah. I don't know for the next one, but yeah, I think he's a must for now. And Ziyech, aduh, oh, I'm so confused with this Chelsea and Spurs player because they're playing against each other. So I really don't want to have them in this game week actually. But yeah, if you're going with Ziyech and Son, I think it's pretty bold. So yeah, Jota is a good option because I will be playing Salah in my team. So yeah, I think Jota is another good option. Eze playing against Newcastle. Okay, I think it's good. And Calvert-Lewin, I think that you can always count on Calvert-Lewin. And Vardy is also a good shot because Leicester is playing against Fulham, and I do think that he will score soon.
Okay.
So yeah,
Uh,
that's my.
okay. Okay, questions. Do we can do free hit and bench boost at the same
No,
time? No.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking.
Yeah, yeah. I think because this is very yeah. I think yeah, bench boost option is really good. If you can, you can just mix them up. But okay, okay, okay. So yeah, I think that is for me. Wait, I think I have to uh kind of just actually if I just stay with regular, I think it's okay. But I don't know. Okay. I think this is my squad. it's okay. I will not save his letter because I have some time to think. I have still blank players. So let's go with yours. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
with the squash. Okay. So what are your plans? What are you planning to
Okay.
do?
As you can see, all my players are playing against each other, so this game week will be either really good or not. So I do think that free hit is a good option, but I don't know if I will take chances with this team. I don't know. So I'm still thinking about it. But if I need to explain my squad here, I do think that I will choose McCarthy over Martinez. I don't know because like Martinez actually has that potential clean sheet against West Ham, but West Ham hasn't failed to score on recent games. So like even one score can ruin your clean sheet. So if McCarthy got some points for saves, I do think that he's more valuable than Martinez. For the next game week. I don't know. I will still think about it. And for the rest, the defenders. Can you scroll up? Okay, so Creswell, I think that I will keep him because you'll never know how that game against Villa will will go. But I do think that he still have good value to the team. Nah, the problem is I do have these three Chelsea players playing against my own team, so I think that if I'm not using my free hit, I will bench Zuma and I will play. Wait, I forgot.
Justin.
Justin, yes. I
Yeah.
will play Justin. Chilwell, I still have
Believe.
faith in him that he will, provide attacking option. And Kilman looks pretty good against Arsenal, so I will keep him. Ziyech, wait. So if Ziyech, no. If I'm not playing my free hit, I will keep Ziyech. As for Rodriguez, I can
Go.
transfer him out for Jota.
Yeah, so
Or
if you
actually, if not, I can use wait who ya? Tielemans actually from Leicester. So Leicester is playing
who? Oh, Tillemans. Okay.
Fulham. Tielemans. So yeah, as you know, Leicester is playing Fulham, and I do think that some midfielder from either Leicester or Man City will be a good option. See, so if not Tielemans, you can use Barnes or even Fernandez if I want to.
Mhm.
But I need to use my free hit because I don't have any money in the bank. So yeah, Son as well. Uh, if I'm using my free hit, I will need to get him out maybe for Fernandez. But if not, I will keep him. As for Kane, okay. Okay, so actually for forward, I do think that the better option is also Vardy or maybe I actually have Jesus and Richarlison in my list, but I don't really trust them. So my only option is actually just switching Vardy with Kane. Yeah, I guess that's it see, because I already have Salah, so maybe I will
Yeah.
put my captaincy on him. Or if I have Fernandez, maybe I will put my captaincy on him.
Yeah.
But I
As
will choose Salah over him.
yeah, I think uh I think f- Chilwell is actually okay sih if you want to
Yeah.
trust on the taxi. But if you yeah, but I don't know. I think the main problem of your team is actually only Zuma sih. And if you put in Zuma out with and Salah in, you have three defenders.
Yep.
And if you don't really trust Chelsea that will score, you can just use Chilwell. Sorry,
Yep.
you can sub Chilwell with Justin.
Yep.
And yeah, I think McCarthy will be suitable also for Martinez sih.
Okay.
But yeah,
So my current formation is actually 4-4-2 because I'm planning to bench Watkins. But I know it could be costly, but
yeah,
I just don't trust him right now.
but I think the
I
main
don't know.
problem of your team actually is only Rodriguez sih. So
Oh my god, wait.
oh, so funny.
Dang it.
Okay.
Yeah, it is my father.
Okay.
Dang, okay. So where were we?
Okay. The main point is, I think you need to. I think you need to pull out Salt Fernandez, Salt Rodriguez for Jota sih. Sorry, Salt Rodriguez with the player of their choice.
Mhm.
Put out Zuma, put out Chilwell, and voila, you have your own team. But yeah, but since you don't trust Watkins, you can just put Watkins out and Chilwell in sih. But
Yeah.
again, Tottenham is, I don't know, Tottenham Chelsea is kind of predict. Even though we already
I know, I know.
discussed the prediction, it still be kind of hard to, because if we look at the last game week with our prediction, I think we only got, wait, yeah, we only got, yeah, not many right, one really wrong. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay,
Hmm.
okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so okay. I think that's all sih. You still have
Mhm.
time to think until, yeah, just 24 hours from now at least.
Less than 24 hours.
No, it's 24 hours because the deadline is
Really?
the deadline is 1:30 Saturday morning.
Oh iya deh. Ya
Yeah,
ya 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 ya.
it still has time. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I think that is all from us. We'll end up with the, yeah, this is good. Okay, so on our league, this is the top player current. Yeah, actually, I want to point out one of my friends' largest point. Uh, yeah, for the longest video. Wait, where is it? Uh, okay, yeah. So my friend is a largest point. He got title captain,
Aduh. Oh, triple captain.
captain with,
I didn't see.
so with he has Fernandez 30 points, Robertson, yeah, Son Fornals, Calvert Lewin, yeah, and that all makes the point really big. Yeah, don't forget to use your triple captain. But yeah, if you are really lucky, see. Actually, if you want, you can. I think this time this is the perfect time for triple captain Fernandez. And I'm say it now, triple captain Fernandez for this game week, and you will be
Oh
blessed.
my god.
Okay, yeah, okay. I think we'll.
Are you going to use your triple captain?
No, I can for now. I
Yeah,
can't.
if you use free hit, like
Okay,
you can.
okay. I think that's all. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this to others, and etc. Okay, any more from you?
Nah,
Okay, and we will see you in our next videos. Bye
deal.
bye. Bye
Bye, thank
bye.
you.